Alright guys, going to make a real quick video today. We're back for the 2022 summer season on my 2021 Yamaha VX Cruiser high output. And today I'm going to show you how to use the engine lock. First thing we've got to do is set the actual pin for the machine. I'm not going to go into a ton of detail on that. You can read in your owner's manual how to set that for your individual machine, but that's going to be the overall pin for a number of different settings on the Wave Runner. So once that is set, you can come over here, and in the top right corner you'll see the icon for the engine lock. If I use my K'NEX keys here and I hit OK, what it's going to do is ask me to enter the pin, and I have a pin, just a random number that I created for the sake of this video, but we'll go ahead and enter that, hit OK, and now I can turn the engine lock on, and you can see the icon has gone to locked in the upper corner, and I am unable to start the jet ski. If I come over, I can come back, go to my main menu, looks just normal, but you'll see up in the top right corner that is still locked. If I want to unlock it, scroll over, hit OK. It's going to ask me to enter my PIN again. So again, using my keys down here, I'll enter my PIN, hit OK, and OK one more time, and I can use that. And now my engine lock is off. The icon has gone to an unlocked, and I can come down and start the Wave Runner, which is up on a lift, so it sounds a little noisier than normal. But that's how you use the engine lock. It's a great security feature for your Wave Runner. Have a great summer, and if you have any other video ideas that you'd like to see, drop them in the comments. Thanks, everybody.